Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Govee Outdoor Clear bulb string lights. Now, these are an upgrade on the bulb string lights that Govee's had for a long time, and these ones are actually like clear, and they come in up to 144 feet. So these are a super awesome upgrade for your backyard, just in time for spring, and Govee is running the spring refresh promotion until March 31st, and I'll provide a promo code just for the audience that'll be in the comment section or in the description of this video, so you can save a little bit extra on top of that. So definitely stick around. We're going to check it out. We'll do an unboxing, we'll get it set up, we'll run through some of the modes, and we'll come back for some final thoughts. All right, my name is Connor. This is where the informal tech reviews live. All right, let's jump right into the website. You can see right here that it has a price of $79.99, and I already have it in my cart, but with the code in the comment section, looks like it's saving about 10%, pulling off $7.99 and brings you down to $72. Now, these are the clear bulb string lights, and so you can see if we zoom in on this picture, that it is clear, but there's a piece right in the middle, and that's just to help the light be able to disperse around and give the bulb that glowing effect. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. We'll do that. We'll do the unboxing though and see all the things. These are the dimensions of each light. So you can see they're about 3 feet apart and they're about 3.4 inches tall. They do come in a couple different sizes. So we have a 96 foot, 48 foot, and 144 foot. You can also do a bundle, but right now it looks like there is 4 days and 3 hours left on this sale. So sorry for getting it up a little bit late, but definitely an awesome set of lights to really take advantage of. They are water resistant, and so they have an IP67 rating, and they are RGB WIC string lights, so the colors are very vibrant. They have a ton of preset modes, and of course, with being a Govee light, they can connect to your phone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. You can use all your smart home devices, Google, Alexa, all those things, and you can also get different preset modes from the user sharing center within the app, which means like if you create a DIY, you can share that with somebody else and then they can use it as well. So if you're looking for different ones on the holidays, things like that, that's a great place to check that out. They also have the AI Lightbot, which I think they have in here. Yeah, so you can just basically say what kind of lighting effect you want. In this case, it's give me a Barbie light effect, and it'll interpret what that means. In this case, it would probably be a lot of pink, but yeah, it just kind of creates that lighting effect for you and puts it on. You can use these in music mode with any of your dream views, groups, things like that. They work perfectly with the Govee ecosystem, and if you are interested in doing some of that, definitely check out the video on the channel where I run you through how to automate some of these Govee setups. I actually set up a fully automated Christmas light show with my Govee lights, where it basically runs through the different songs and changes the lighting effect based on what song is playing. It is a little bit complicated. I was using Home Assistant, but it's worth checking out if you're really into smart lighting like I am. Down here we have some specs. So it shows 80 lumens per light, got the IP67 resistance, water resistance on the lights themselves, but it looks like the control box is a little bit less at IP65 and the power adapter is only IP44. So if I was going to protect any of these, it's going to be the power adapter. There are some boxes that you can throw those in when you connect it to an extension cord or something, unless it's like in a plug that's already covered up, then you should be okay. But they are corded, so if you're hoping for like some solar power, these are not those. Moving over to the unboxing, they have a nice little image in here that really kind of shows the device, and when you pop it open, you're with two boxes. Now, because I have the 144 foot version, I think is why I have the two, but if you had like the smallest one, you probably only have one of these, because this bigger box is just 2 strands of bulbs. Now you got your usual books and stuff. Go ahead and plug and file those and move into setup. So we got it plugged in, and now we're going to go ahead and get it paired up. So you go into devices, add devices, it's immediately ready to pair. I didn't have to put the button down or anything at this point. I do have to tap it though, which I like, because that means other users can't just like connect to your stuff. 3 segments, 45 lights. Yeah, that's the most. Connect to my existing Wi-Fi. All right, pretty bright. I was a little bit worried about how they have the clear exterior and whether or not the light would be able to shine around, but looks like that stem or whatever on the inside really does get the light to reflect out pretty well. They feel very bright. So it's a little bit rainy out, but I'm gonna assume that it's the same length as those ones. And the reason I didn't take off the plastic pieces was for this step here. Carnival, Milky Way, Cosmic Echoes, Intergalactic Adventure. All right, this is the softest of the whites. This is Halloween. This is Christmas. This is Easter. This is called Warm Welcome. All right, that's the Govee clear bulb string lights. What do you think? These are definitely an awesome addition. I'm super excited to be able to upgrade them. Definitely shout out to Govee team for sending them out for me to test out. Definitely appreciate that. What's awesome about these 144-foot ones is they're way longer than I expected. So I definitely picked up like what I thought was the longest ones before, and so I assumed that's what I needed this time. But the 144 definitely went on like my entire fence line for my wood fence part. We do have a builder's fence as well, but that obviously I'm not going to put them on there. And so definitely measure what you're trying to set it up on first. But what's cool about the 144-foot ones is if you do have too many, you can pull off one of the links and disconnect it. And if you don't have enough with the other ones, you can definitely pick up more and connect them. I think the limit is that 144 foot, but definitely something to consider if you end up moving or you want to put them somewhere else and you need some more space. The water resistance is great. The light was very vibrant. It's not the brightest light that I have in my backyard. The lamppost definitely still overpowers them a bit, and I have the prism lights along the bottom of the fence line, but it's an awesome ambience addition. And so if I want to just like chill out in the backyard, it gives that nice subtle glow. And during the day, because they are clear, they don't look sort of tacky with that like white matte look to them. So definitely a great addition. Highly recommend. If you want to pick up one of these, definitely use the promo code in the description in the comment section. And if you use the link down there or this QR code right here, I definitely would appreciate it. It supports the channel very much and it allows for more opportunities like this to be able to check out awesome lighting and things like that. So definitely appreciate everybody who's been sticking around this long. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more awesome tech videos like this, hit the subscribe button. We do have a giveaway going on right now for the Rainio Air 4 Pro on the channel, so definitely look for that video. All you have to do to enter is follow the instructions in that video, and we have another giveaway coming up when we hit the 2,000 subscriber milestone, and that one's going to have a ton of prizes in it. They are all going to be smart glasses related, but definitely an exciting situation. Definitely appreciate everybody again. Until we see you guys next time, my name is Connor, and this is where the Informal Tech Reviews live. Peace.